What up, Missions Week? And today is Thursday, July 11, 2019, and I'm here in the game room / open area playing foosball, Uno, and all that fun stuff.
It's a little wet outside, so I'm gonna take a nap. Good night.
Methodist Church. We're here at Cooper's Folly and we are getting ready to put a roof on. So if you look behind me, they're measuring the boards to go across that will lay the roofing stuff on. We did make a sign for the shed to document Cooper's mistake forever. We are waiting for probably a total of 3 hours for 4x4s to put on the very bottom of our shed so water can run through. That was the first step we needed to accomplish. And then around lunchtime, Cooper had to go get a level that we needed to put our walls up. So Cooper got the level and put it on top of a random stack of wood. And when we came back an hour later, after someone told us the 4x4s had arrived, we realized that Cooper set the level on top of the 4x4s, but Cooper didn't know what a 4x4 was, so I mean, it kind of was his fault, kind of wasn't his fault. So we named the whole project Cooper's Folly because of his mistake.
Dude, Nathan, can you set the GPS for Salvation Army?
It's like a block away.
So I can barely get to the church.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm from St. Paul's. We're here at Salvation Army and we are plastering this drywall that was put up by the group last week. We are on day 3, so once this is done we can sand it and then hopefully it just has to be painted.
Digging about a 2-foot hole so that we can put a sump pump in. Residents here are having some troubles with basement flooding, so yeah, we're putting this thing in. We're here to fix the problem. It's going really well so far. We have dug through the first layer of concrete. We're mainly on dirt now. There's 5 of us. We're carrying buckets of dirt outside into a wheelbarrow.
Man, you guys rock.
Hello, my name is Nathan Folk from West Lawn United Methodist. Today we are at Janice's house. We are working on Mrs. Janice's deck. We're going to replace the rotting boards with brand new boards. And then she's going to have a beautiful deck again.
Hey guys, it's Patrick from St. Paul's and we are here at Anna's house painting and spackling and working in the basement. Mara and Sarah are up here spackling and painting a hole that had formed when rain
came down and the floods came up. Oh! The rains came down and the floods came up. Oh!
All right, so we're down in the basement, and Callie, Olivia, and Emily are painting it and making it nice and gray. All right, guys, I just heard lunch is here, so I'm gonna go upstairs and take a break. All right, guys, I just heard lunch is here, so I'm gonna go upstairs and take a break.
I'm Elizabeth Eckert, I'm from St. Peter's, and today we're unloading pieces of the garage we've been cleaning out. Some of the stuff is really hard, but with other groups that helped us, it's been a lot easier. So today we knocked down a cement wall, and we had to clean up all the bricks, and that was the easy part. And we were so happy that we almost had the site done.